Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to create stock alerts in Zerodha. First, open your Zerodha Kite app or website and log in. You'll want to locate the search bar at the top to find the stock you're interested in. Once you've found it, click on the stock name to view its details. This is the initial step to ensure you never miss a crucial price movement, helping you stay informed. After selecting your stock, look for the Create Alert button, usually found near the stock's price information. Click this button to open the alert configuration window. Here, you'll enter your desired price point. You can choose if the alert triggers when the price is above or below this value. Confirm your settings, and your basic price alert is now active. Zerodha offers more than just simple price alerts. You can set up alerts based on a percentage change, for example, a 2% rise or fall. Additionally, consider alerts for specific volume spikes or when a stock crosses a particular moving average. These advanced options provide deeper insights, allowing you to tailor notifications precisely to your trading strategy and market conditions. To manage your alerts, navigate to the Alerts section within Zerodha Kite. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your active notifications. You can easily modify the price, type, or even delete any alert that's no longer relevant to your strategy. Staying organized with your alerts is key to effective trading. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.